Positive thinking, the law of attraction, mind over matter, mind over money, mind over life. Mind over matter. Why does God not answer my prayer? Because the God we know is an illusion. You are the God, creator of your life. Original post edit the 21st of February, 2008. The Lord's Prayer. Original. Our Father, who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name. Thy kingdom come. Thy will be done on earth, as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread. And forgive us our trespasses, as we forgive those who trespass against us. And lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil. For thine is the kingdom, and the power, and the glory forever and ever. Amen. The Lord's Prayer is real magic. Mind over matter. If we look around us, we see lots of things: cars, computers, money, houses, but also non-material things like happiness, loneliness, joy, war, poverty, wealth, abundance. All these things, both material and non-material, all started with a thought. You cannot build a house if you don't have the blueprints. You cannot feel happy if you are thinking negatively. How does this all relate to the Lord's Prayer? Mind over matter. Our Father, who art in heaven. Our Father, God, is a metaphor for you, who art in heaven. This is our thoughts or spiritual environment. Hallowed be thy name. Thy kingdom come. Thy will be done on earth as it is in heaven. We honor and recognize the never-ending power of God, our thoughts, and the fact that our thoughts that we think of in the spirit, heaven, will eventually manifest in the material world, earth. How fast this thought manifestation will take place depends on how much energy we put into it. You won't get rich just by thinking of it. You have to put enough energy into these thoughts so that they will get you into action. Give us this day our daily bread. This is what we are asking for in this prayer. If that is what you desire, then don't change this sentence. You will eventually get what you are asking for. So don't complain if you are only getting enough money to pay for your daily survival. You asked for it, so you got it. Smiley face, the law of attraction. And forgive us our trespasses, as we forgive those who trespass against us. And lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil. This is about our goal achievement, and what we should not do. Also, evil or the devil is only a metaphor for all that does not comply with your, God's, original thought, or wish. X. If you envy about the fact that Bill Gates is the richest man on earth, then this enviness is the demon in your prayer for wealth. For thine are the kingdom, and the power, and the glory forever and ever. And for these people who succeed to comply with these rules, they will be done. And their mental thoughts will manifest themselves into the material world. Amen. So it'll be. So you can use prayer for anything. Or not, prayer for money. Smiley face. Do you want a permanent shortcut to this page about making money with your mind using the Lord's Prayer? Monetize your mind. Mind over money. Lord's Prayer permalink. Gerald Heard. Earning money online. How to start? Start your making money generating website using Google AdSense. In finance. How to quit smoking tips. How to quit smoking tips, withdrawal symptoms, AIDS, quitting smoking hypnosis, quitting smoking without thickening, a mini course with all the info to finally quit. In English. Stock market crash 2020. About the stock market crash of 2020. Is the stock market crash of 2020 inevitable? And how bad will it be? What are the indicators? Both technical analysis and hidden facts that happened in the past year. What role do the big banks play? Last edit the 3rd of January 2020 YMD. In English.